Hello, so this is already an easy carve that has been carved. It's designed into. Easy carve is nice for beginners because you don't have to put as much pressure in when you are cutting in your designs. So here's a really nice detailed example, and I'm going to show you how to do something like that on linoleum. Linoleum is a little bit better of a material to use for printing once you have the experience of carving. Easy carve is better for beginners just because it's easier to carve into the material. If you are using linoleum, we can heat it up for 30 seconds so that it's a little softer and it's easier to carve those designs into them. So what you're going to do is you are going to pick which tools you want, put them in your linoleum handle, cutter handle, make sure it's nice and tight in there, and you're going to start carving your designs. I have everything that I want to keep on here in black. So I'm gonna carve out all the gray areas and leave the black areas there. Remember, you're always going to be cutting away from yourself. I think I'm going to outline this first and then cut out my designs. So you're not cutting towards yourself, you can move the linoleum or the easy cut. Once I get to the bigger areas where I'm carving out, I could change my linoleum cutter to a different setting so that I can take out more area. So when you're carving into the linoleum, if you are having to press too hard, that means your blade is dull or the linoleum needs to be warmed up. Don't try to push it through because you don't want to be cutting yourself. If you're doing a difficult cut, make sure your hand is always behind because you don't want to get this into your finger. It is a sharp blade and it could cause a permanent scar. I always suggest outlining first, depending on the pressure you want to do for this. If you push it in deeper by holding it up higher, it's going to make a deeper cut rather than if you were just holding it more level.